Well, boys, it's been about a 6-month project, but the Kodiak is finally done. Brand new axle, ring gear, pinion gear, all bearings, diff rebuild. Hasn't been rode in 6 months.
Since the last time we broke it.
Yep.
Well,
She's even got spider webs on her. She's been sitting so long, we even left the fucking gas on. Typical Yamaha. And here's the Wolverine that broke last weekend. Got the sled for the winter time. Gotta go get Blake ups. Little project, little project. I don't know, boys. Blake up, how long has it been?
oh, probably 6 months since she's driven.
How much money has it been?
Over $800.
Greasy. Very greasy.
Here we go. Yeah, she's melting the lighter.
Greasy. And she lives. She lives.
Still smokes.
And she still smokes. That's okay. That just means she's full. Just means she's full. Oh, your diff cap. There it is.
Yours.
Yeah, that's the JB welded one. Yamaha really cheaps out on a lot of parts.
Filthy.
Are you
Hey,
excited,
boys.
bud?
Huh?
Said, are you excited?
Oh, I can't wait.
Don't tighten it down too much, just snug her on in. Oh, God damn it.
It wasn't even close. What's smelling? Plastic in the back?
Something. This is Blake up, trying to start his four-wheeler. This is why he needs to buy a starter button. Oh, hey, bud. Wolverine's first load, or haha, Wolverine, Kodiak. Kodiak's first load. She's got the new diff, fresh rebuild in the rear. Still got a couple things to deal with. There he is.
Well, here we are in the shop, boys.
No speed ratchet.
After we got the old Kodiak out, all fixed up, now we brought the Wolverine in. Same job, rear end. We just took the axle out, and we thought the ring stripped. But as you can see, we still have great splines. So something a little bit deeper.
Yamaha yet.
It's not, yeah, there we go. It's not a typical Yamaha yet. We'll see. We'll see when we tear into her a little bit deeper. Just popping the dip off now. Everything's pretty loose, kind of scary. Oh, that one's tight. Oh, look at the mud just poop right out. Oh, yeah, boys. I don't know if you can see that. Oh, there we go. We'll pick back up when we get a little deeper. Just look at that poop out. Oh, yeah.
Look at that poop.
All right, boys. We'll catch you. Here we are, out in the old graveyard.
In the old Honda.
The Honda. We got a 350 big bear there, tipped on its side. We have Magnum, 300 Suzuki, 250 Timberwolf. Yeah, they all used to run.
Hey, Magnum still runs.
Magnum still runs.
Magnum
Suzuki
still runs. When she wants to. But we're out here. As you guys just saw, we took out the old diff. Now we're in the junkyard getting our new diff. Stopped raining. Got the blue sky going. We were in that over there. Turned out to be a nice day though.
Maybe make a trip in the swamp.
Maybe go down in the swamp. It's
Kodiak
a good sign though.
in the swamp.
It's a good sign.
Brought extra clothes.
All right,
Get all
boys.
those boats out?
Yeah.
We're gonna
There's
get
4.
back with you.
Always look in things before you throw it, boys.
It likes minty.
Jesus Christ.
Thrust washer.
That is?
Yep.
You said I could reuse that?
Oh
That's not-
man.
I don't think I could
not
reuse.
a-
This thing just slides out, right?
Yep.
In theory.
Yeah, I just cleaned this workbench too.
What? What?
Yesterday. Swept it off and everything.
It looked good till Flacco got a hold of it.
I'll have that.
Flacco the Destroyer. It's light with angle down. Here. Record. No move. There you go. Keep moving. Go to the other side now. She's coming, Bob. About to go.
There she is. Oh, and there goes that bear.
Wow.
Wow. Listen to that. Oh. Look at that.
Oh, your pinion.
Wow, she's not even.
There's nothing there.
Oh no. Am I gonna have to get housing now?
No. You might. I don't know. I'll have to take it apart first.
Look at all the bearing needles. I don't
Got
see
any
any
metal?
chips.
Yeah, how many chips on the corner? Any chips on the corner? Inside out?
No.
Outside corner?
No.
See that? There should be a washer here. Thrust washer.
Is it in here? Because that's where.
I don't know. Oh, no.
How's that pinion spin again?
Like I said,
Oh, look at that fucking. Yeah.
this was brand new.
Yeah. He did say it was brand new, didn't he?
Yes.
Yeah. Like I said, boys, it's a typical Yamaha thing. Man. There you go. How about that
That's
one?
a good view.
I can almost take that race right out of there. Couple times.
Hey boys, leave a comment down below if you like to see this stuff. You know, us working in the garage and whatnot.
That's... Wow.
Oh, Jesus.
I thought that was just dirt I was trying to get off.
Me too.
But that's all fucking scars.
That is from
That
your,
is all
that's
scars.
from your ring.
Yeah.
Hold that still.
Ooh, look at that shit.
Zoom out.
Look at you see.
I don't know where the one can went, but it had.
Yeah. Minty.